the shower here where we have to go retile it. Them tile the shower. As you can see, give a closer look. The water now run to the drain. You can see say the whole of the water settle off right here so. So no water now going on the drain. So what we're going to do with this now, we'll dig it up, retile it. So you see my people, sometimes I try to get some cheap work done. You know, you always go the cheaper price and you know, look for a professional to do your job. So that's how we boil down to. You know, instead of do it one time, you don't have to do it 2 times. So now, when the professional coming in and in charge of price, now we all have something like this. Might sound wicked, but you know, you have a charge to dig up, retile, get it the right and proper way. So you know, it's always best you get the professional then to do the job instead of you have to do it 2 times. Yeah, so as I say, water down around night drain. You know, you come in and look on it. You know, like when this just tiled and I said, yeah, let me get a nice shower. But see what I'm at the end of the day. So as you can see, right now as I say, what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to retile it. If I dig it up, carry it back over. You know, and get this thing the right and proper way. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so you will see we are going step by step as we go along. Yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section. Alright, now people, so water.
Welcome back.
Yeah, man.
What's up?
Water cycle this up.
Yeah.
So the next stage of this thing, my people, is the preparation stage. So this is a glass. Yeah, so at the end of the day, we don't want to damage the glass. So if we make preparation for this, that's the glass not damage. So where they are now, as I can see, we'll tape it up. Yeah, so we'll tape it up, prevent anything from, you know, for the jackamite, so anything can flash up tight, you know, glass as I say. Yeah, so we have to try to prevent anything from the glass. So these are the stage with the right hand. So next thing is to jackhammer it up. So this is over there, I don't want to be able to. Because up to the tile is so high bad. And the drain kind of low. So we are trying to see if we can get the drain to move. If we can get the drain to spin, carry up more, we can solve the problem. But as it is, it's kind of difficult to work with the drain the same way due to up in the corner there's up high and down the other side and low. So it's too very weak now. We don't know what they can say. We have to get the drain if it can spin, but we can carry it up like a more. You know, because what they, as I say, what them do up to the corner, well high, coming down low. That's why the water flow. And the drain must straight like the drain kind of dish back down to the side, so you know, we have a control when it can get like. So So we just have to try to see what we can do with it. Let's see what we can do with this wheel. Yeah. So alright my people, we'll get to the next step of the thing. So yeah, can't see my piano. Yeah, so as you can see it. Nice and clean. The glass kinda in the way, so you know it'll give me a fight still, but I have to just work around it. Yeah. So yeah, so the next step, you know, to get him tiled. So I can't see up. So I just give him some time to dry. Yeah. So after I dry now, yeah, you know people living in the place, so all the plastic up and everything like that, and tape up of it, tape up, you know, try to avoid any damage. So as I say, I get it cast up, you know. Yeah, so this is how it cast up, you know. So mark out the shower already. So I'm going to show you the tile I'm using there. Yeah, so this is the tile I'm going to use. So as you can see, cut out the drain and everything already. Yeah. It's only this a piece, you know. I may have the pencil mark, yes, you know, to cut off straight across. Yeah, and cut this a one tile. Yeah. So measure out and everything. Yeah, and cut out. Yeah, so I just have this as myself here. Just cut that little piece here. So when that cut now, you know, so the whole complete shower that. Yeah. So basically the same tile I use back, you know. Yeah, the same tile I use back. Yeah, so alright my people, so this is over there now. We're going to drop in the shower bottom here now. Yeah, so as I said, this is the starting point. Get this thing rolling. So we're going to truck with the shower, you know. Change the shower button, yeah. Shower button off, dig up back. have him lock. So we have finished up the shower bottom here. So have it a bit. Give the people a nice shower. Like, share and subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section. Alright, so let's see. Get the shower out of the way. When we finish with this now, no more problem. No more water circling. The water runs straight in a drain. Alright, this is the stage we reach and now we drop in the shower bottom. Yeah. So as you can see, finally drop in. So the glass still up, so the glass, kind of give you a fight, but overcome it. So yeah, the only thing for you to know, have to just grow it up. So finally drop in. Yeah, nice and sweet. Yeah, so just go to this space and clean up now. Then we'll get back to it. Grow it up. Yeah, it's a shower good again. So right now we're almost on the final stage. Yeah. So we have some growth in night now. Yeah, so see that I get it growth up. The shower so nice again. Yeah, once you get it growth up, just wipe it off, get it clean up. And we're out of here. Yeah, so as I said, that at the stage where we reach the growing stage. Yeah, so the people have a nice shower bath again. Yeah, this one I should get from day one. Yes, alright, so this is the final product. Yeah, so the shower done. growth up. Yeah, so this is the way it look like I know. Yeah, showing nice and sweet I know. So as it is now, water seal Nigerian. Yeah. So as I say, finished product. Yeah. Rubbed up. So we just wipe them off and clean them up. As I say, take this out of stage, bring it back to life. Yeah. So this is how we do right now. So as I say, everything finished now. Yeah, we're done with growth up, we clean up. Yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, reason with me in the comment section till my team want to job them. Yeah. So I want to say enough respect to all of the supporters them every time, big up myself, the upcoming supporters, enough respect same way. You know, foundation supporters. Yeah, with them. Yeah, so as I say, I the finished product this. So you know, show nice and sweet again. Yeah. So alright my people, don't know it go. So, you know, about a year. Catch up on the next video. Alright.